Hi everyone, I just want to share with you something about myself. By the way, my name is Gigi Aquino Custodio, 22 years old, living in San Mateo, Rizal, working student po. Yes, I'm a working student sa gas station po and cashier po ako doon. As a student, it's really hard because you really learn to manage your time talaga and mga priorities mo sa buhay. Pero kinakaya naman kasi konting push na lang, makapagtapos na rin ako sa pag-aaral, and someday, I can achieve my dream. In my free time naman, or hobbies, nagdo-drawing po ako ng mga gowns or anything na pwede ko i-drawing, kaya ko naman. I have a sample here. Yes. Also, this is my talent. Then, kasi mahilig din talaga ako mag-drawing ng kung ano-ano. Then, this is my favorite na i-drawing ko, yung mga gowns. Kasi I really love that passion talaga. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi masyadong detailed. Kasi ngayon ko lang din siya drawing para lang may pakita ko sample sa inyo. Kasi yung mga drawing ko dati is nawala na. So, parang sketch na lang din ako dito. Also, I can dance, I can sing, yun lang. So, yun lang din yung share ko about myself, and thank you.